Hi guys, I'm Althea Stone. That's my channel's name, but my real name is Luca, and Luca Stone. And so today I'm talking about my Legos. So guys, today we are starting with my Lego Panda. It is one of my favorites. I got it for Christmas, but it wasn't so hard to build. But that's not all. We got this one too. Both is Minecraft, that one and this one. But this one's future is it can stand on two. There I broke his head off. But it can stand on two, and it can close and open. It is actually a secret room, and here too. And this one future is this. You just pull this thing and push it, and the other future is here. Can you see that? That you push this here, and it shoot that thing. So far today we are going to play with this Lego set. It is one of my favorites. It's a Lego turtle, also Minecraft. This is its baby. Where are its other babies? So carrying on, I don't know where is that one's baby, but please like and subscribe, and please